Every dentist remembers why they started. Freedom, impact, growth. But somewhere along the way, momentum stalled. Not because of lack of skill, not because of lack of patience, but because nothing changed.
Let me be clear. Doing nothing is still a decision. And hoping patients magically ask for orthodontics? That's the villain.
But every great story needs a hero.
And that hero is you. The general dentist who knows orthodontics can transform their practice. Revenue, retention, case acceptance, but needs a clear plan to implement it. That's why we created Simply Clear Day.
One day, 90 days of preparation, a system, not a guess.
Simply Clear Day isn't a promotion. It's an execution framework. Over a 90-day ramp-up, your office prepares with intention. Team training, patient education, internal and external marketing, and a powerful offer patients actually say yes to. Free retainers, professional whitening, $1,000 value without discounting your core fee.
But no hero wins alone.
This only works when your team is fully involved. Front desk, assistants, hygienists, everyone knows the message. Everyone knows the why. Everyone knows the plan. And that's where this comes in. This app, the Simply Clear Day platform, walks you step by step through exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to execute it without chaos.
No guesswork. No overwhelm. Just implementation.
Marketing timelines, scripts, team assignments, patient messaging, everything laid out. So your practice doesn't just talk about ortho, it does ortho.
The choice is simple.
You can keep waiting, or you can create momentum. Simply Clear Day isn't about one day. It's about changing the trajectory of your practice.
The guide is ready. The system is built. The story is yours.
Click below. Start your Simply Clear Day. And finally, make orthodontics work for you.